Good morning, guys. Welcome to BitcoinMF. A quick TA update of the day, the way I see the market. I remind you, this is not financial advice. So make sure you do your own research. And one more thing I wanted to say, I see this phenomena of people who try to fake other people's identities and some sort of shit like that. Phishing mails and malicious attacks and all this shit. And I just wanted to say a quick something. This channel is always will always be free, and the products I offer are the products I offer. And I just want you to pay attention and to know that from my side I will never ask you for anything. And if you get somebody who asks for money or donations or whatever on my name or the name of LazyMF or the name of BitcoinMF, just know straight away that it's a scam, because I make this video and I say to you now that the only thing I ever want to know regarding your info from your side is only if you want to buy the products that I offer. For the BitcoinMF strategy, I need the TradingView username for I can open you the script. Okay, it's simple. And for the Hulk Smash pattern scanner, I need your broker account so I can open it for the license. Other than that, I really won't be initiating any kind of how to say communication. Okay, this is what I do. I only upload the content, I write in the server of BitcoinMF, I tweet, I do this and that, but all the links I will leave it on this video, the official links of all my usernames and handles, so you will know that this is me. Okay, and no one else is me, only me is me. There is only one BitcoinMF and only one LazyMF. And I know it's maybe sounds a little bit funny, because what is this lazy guy stripping about? He's got 20 views on YouTube. What the fuck? But trust me on this one, because lazy is not Dumbo. I say to this today, there is only one BitcoinMF and there is only one LazyMF, and this is me. And after we clean this shit out, we can dive into the price action and to market, because this is what really we came here for. So fuck it, and let's dive right in. Okay, on the daily chart, basic daily chart, like every day, you know that if you follow me, you know that I wait. I am less days I am bull, and I wait and I wait to see what the fuck is happening with the market after we dumped here and it's climbing here, it dumped again, it's climbed a little bit and dumped a little again and again. Today we have this green candle. Okay, so what does this green candle makes me think? In my opinion, still I still lean more bull today, because I believe that yesterday there were more shorts in the market. Okay, and like I always say, I follow the sentiment, I follow the patterns, I follow many things, but the basic thing is this: most people don't win, period. Okay, so if I know that yesterday most traders were going short, I almost know for 100%, let's say this like this, I almost know that it will go up. Okay, but it depends on also the more general view of the market. So right now we can see that this level here, the 8-1 level, is holding like some kind of a resistance, and the bulls cannot break this. And all of this structure is signaling, I think it's signaling traders to go short. Okay, but today, again, it doesn't mean that it's going to happen what I say, but I don't buy this short. And why I don't buy this short? Because I just said to you that yesterday I think that more people went short. So if yesterday they went short and today they go again more short, so it doesn't make logic to me that they take, because there are more shorters than longers, okay? And it doesn't matter the price, okay, for BTC longs or shorts, and it doesn't matter all these numbers on charts, in my opinion. What matters is how much people are in position. Know how much money, okay? How much people. I might be not 100%, scientifically, technically, financially pinpoint this, but this is what I look at it, because I know that if less people go long, the chances that they will take the market, because also with those less people there can be people with very, very big amount of money that can take the market wherever they want, okay? So I look at this like this, and if you follow the server, I put down the link from where I take this info every day, and every day I check this and I wait for this to see what is more today, the longs or the shorts, or what is happening, okay? And also, if you follow the Telegram channel, so you can see that sometimes, not every day, but sometimes we get the updates, and it's not like I'm sending it when I want it. It sends automatically when the RSS feed is updated. We also get the updates, so we always know what's happening and what's hot, okay? And also don't be bugged because sometimes it can give us something about maybe the USD, maybe the British pound, but it is all one part of the puzzle, okay? I especially did this for we can see what is happening in general every day, what is happening, what is Trump is up to, what is Putin up to, okay? Because all of this, in my opinion, this is the game, okay? Anyways, let's do some TA, okay? Because I know I mumble a lot, so I'm sorry. Like always, Aikenashi candles, BB bands, BitcoinMF strategy. Close this shit, and let's see what we see, okay? So we did have the short signal, and market did went down a little bit, and whoever closed this, if you didn't close and you were short, you started to lose money, like I said in the previous video. And on the previous video, people very got pressurized and they lose money, so it went down again, okay? Like I said in the previous video also. And if people still didn't close this long, so today they are again at pressure, and this time they wait for like another bounce, because yesterday they like found it was like a bounce to short, but after they short it goes a little bit more up. So today I look to see if we actually can make the price go a little bit higher, let's say to the mid BB, to test the mid BB. If this happens, there will be a new long signal, okay, here. And also, if this long signal, it doesn't still mean that it's gonna go up, because like I many times say, strong signal first counter trades, okay? So there is might a chance that we go up here, we get the long signal, and price immediately drops. And when and if it happens, I want to see if it drops and if the EMA of the strategy, this 16 EMA, will hold price, because this is what will happen in my opinion, okay? Price will go up as soon as we get the long signal. It's like everybody sees it, okay? But price is going down, and after it's shaking off all the immediate traders who went long and all the high leverage traders, market will move up. This is what I think it's going to happen. It doesn't mean it's going to happen. Of course, this is the bull side scenario of the things, because right now I am bull and I'm watching it as a bull. And if you want the bear side, I can also give the bear side, because I look always at the two sides, okay? The bear side is here, you see. We have the large resistance from the EMA. And if this resistance can be broken, and you see there is less volume which supports this, so price will go down, and it will start to search support here, and if not here, so here, and if not here, so here, and so on, okay? But of course, me personally don't want this to happen. if this will happen, I will close my positions, I will close my longs at lost, and okay, I will take it. But it doesn't mean that you have to do the same. Everybody does what they need to do in order to profit. So you need to take this info and take your info inside your head and somehow put it on together in a puzzle for you to profit. Just close at profit. That's all. Simple, but not simple. Okay, so again, we wait for the log signal and we wait for a shake off or whatever, or a shake off that develops into a dump. It depends. Okay, but again, me personally, I will try to sustain this shake off if will happen, and I want to see market goes up to even this line and maybe try to break this line and close above it and hold this as support. But I don't want to talk and say hop before we jump. Let's open up the mimicator so maybe they can help us. What we can see on the mimicators, if you follow, you know I always mumble about the RSI 50 and people tell me the RSI is a meme, and I say you are a meme. Okay, why you are a meme? Because when the RSI is above 50, price is going up, and I don't give a fuck if it's called a meme or a shmeme, or I don't care, for real. I just want to know that when it pops the 50 and it stays there on the positive phase, like I say, I see the price going up. And if some meme shmeme want to tell me something about it, so we can DM or in the server or whatever, I listen and I maybe try to answer. Okay, so again, the RSI is right now above 50, and if you remember and if you have good attention, I said that when it came below a little bit, I said remember that even a slight bump to the 50 and above will take price up, and actually this what happened. But okay, it doesn't matter how many times lazy is right. It matters how many times you close at profit. Okay, so this is the daily. Okay, we watch the RSI. I also watch the MACD because I can see it's the negative phase is kind of want to close, and if we get to the 0 point here and maybe we get to the positive phase, that it will be good for bulls. Also the stochastic RSI is supporting us because it shows that the RSI wants to go up. Okay, wants to go like up. Okay, we need this for it to go up, because if dump occurs, then suddenly the RSI can drop to 15. You will see straight away the stochastic RSI is being pressed to the bottom. Also here you can see it is being pressed, and I wait and I watch to see when is the unpress, if you know what I mean. Okay, let's move on to the time frames. I don't want to waste you all day, and also mine. The 4-hour chart. All right. What we see again, it's like the same kind of thing. We see the long signal, we get the long signal, we went up to the top BP, we went a little down, shake off kind of, and if you follow the server, I say for a few times, and I'm sorry I repeat myself, but market is not moving as fast as we want always. But this is what happens. I say bulls need to close above this red dotted, because if they don't close above this red dotted, there will no be chance for more up. And at first it seems like a really stupid thing. Oh, of course, if you close above this, but it's not stupid, because this is the way I watch the market. I already know from let's say from here that it might reverse. Okay, I already know, but like I say, we need to close. When we hear I say to you, we need to close above red dotted. And you can see that we need to close above red dotted, because if we don't close above red dotted, we go down. This is simple, okay? And this is not a smart thing or something, but this what happens to market. It has to close above the EMA and sustain there and play a little bit, and then it goes up. If it doesn't, so no, so it will go down, of course. Okay, sorry. 1 hour. 1 hour, we can see that everybody is like been shorting already for 4 hours, and they also been shorting after only, like we can see the long signal is on. Okay, So this means that they think that this is the bounce, they like that this is the top. This is how I see it. People think that this is kind of the top, that it won't go up anymore, so they short like mad because they see here resistance, here another resistance, and they want to take this move. They want to take the spike down. You know what I'm talking about. Which is also something that I anticipate, but I still think that market will go up. Okay? Even if the week happens, like two way back. Okay, sorry. What else can we say? Let's move to the time frames. 30 minutes. Can see the same kind of thing. Here the MACD wants to go to the negative phase, and here the RSI is searching for support, and the price is searching for support. And again, how I watch this, simple. I know that the MACD is going like in a sinus wave. Okay, I know that there is a positive phase and a negative phase. So now I see that it wants to cross, and I know that it wants to go to the negative phase, because once positive, once negative, positive, negative, most of the times, okay? So I think and I say that if this MACD starts to print now this negative phase, no matter how big it will be, because I don't know how big it will be, how big will the drop be, no one knows. But when it starts to drop, the MACD starts to print it, and what will happen is bulls will need to be sustained this MACD as long as it is gone to the negative phase, because the price won't go up until it comes back to the positive phase. Okay, so this is what I watch, and sometimes you see we have this like positive, and again it goes big positive. So there is still like a hope. I don't think that it must go down. It's not necessarily. Kind of, I also think that, to be honest, that maybe it will pop now soon, because the RSI had got the headroom, and you see this little schmittel, it can go up, because this is how I see it. Okay, anyways, but this is just the 30 minutes, so be advised. Let's take a look at the 15 minutes, the scalper's time frame, as I call it. Again, the same situation, but more detailed. We see that after the move up, after this shit that we move up, we close outside the BB bands. And if you follow me, that you know I always look at this, and I say that when we close outside the BB, doesn't matter which side, there is a large pressure from the counter side for price to get back inside the BB. And people will say to me, lazy, but the BB is a meme. And I say, yes, look at the RSI meme together with the BB bands, and make something with it, and buy. Anyways, we can see that again, the MACD can go down, but if it will go up again, so it means the RSI is saved, so there is a chance we go and visit the top BB again. Okay, but again, don't rush into trade because lazy said something, because I don't know. I just really watch it as I tell it, and I share it with you guys. Okay, I am right until I'm wrong. Okay, but nevertheless, it doesn't mean that I don't want to do this, and I want to share with you guys, because I know for a fact that it does help someone, and it does help me. Okay, so this is what I know, and this is what matters to me. Okay, so this is basically the time frames for today. Another thing that we will take a look is this thingy I already showed you. I like it a lot. You see, this is the basic chart. 1 hour. I just added the pivot points and the EMA 21. And we've been following some, and as I say always, that the bulls need to be above the EMA 21 for the bull move. And right here, right now, we can see that the situation is kind of good. Because why is kind of good? Because we also here with the EMA near the pivot point, and also the candle is green. So in a euphoric kind of thing, okay. Listen, this is the pink scenario, okay? So be cautious. It is simple. If the EMA goes above the pivot, and the candle stays green, there is a chance we go more up, I don't know, even to here, okay? I don't know to where, but even to here, maybe even above. But we first need to like get this area, get this thing, and close like here, okay? If we close here, if we start to close here and sustain, so it's a very good sign for bulls in my opinion, okay? So this is what we follow today, and again, all the links are in the description, the Telegram, the Discord, everything, and you just need to, if you want to, check and see what's happening. And yep, I think that's all for today for now. I will be later not near the computer, so I will update less in the Discord server, I believe, but I still do it. If you follow, you know that I see it like really important. It matters to me, and I even update from the phone. And that's it, guys. I just want to ask you that if you see something that is like hot news or something that is, you know what I mean. If you see the talk of the hour, don't be shy. Post it to the server, because this is the whole goal. Is like meant for me and everyone who is in it to take care of each other. I know it sounds strange, but this is what I want to do. Okay, this is my vision. We need to take care for each other. We need to let know what we know, so we know everything is like we all know it, okay? And once we know everything that we all know, so we can go further. I don't know how it's hard to me explain this in words, but this is how it works in my opinion, because the smartest guy is the one that knows what everybody knows and takes it the further step further, okay? So I want all our server to know like the same thing, okay? To know everything. And from this, after we know everything, we will advance even more. This is how I see it. I hope this was helpful for somebody today. I'm sorry for today, a little bit philosophical, because I'm a little bit emotional and all. But, you know, I'm just a person. Everything is okay. And I hope this helps somebody for real. And again, check the links, leave a comment, like, subscribe if you like and don't like this. And good luck and make good trades. See you next time. Bye bye.